Cindy here, physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner. Today we're doing a review video on a wheelchair cushion that was sent to us by Vive Health. So that's what I have right here. So this wheelchair cushion is 18 inches by 16 inches by 3 inches in height. The center of it is made of a gel core and it is surrounded by 2 foam layers. So this is going to allow you to readjust the pressures for some pressure relief while you're sitting on it. It also has a nice cover that is water resistant and it's also flame retardant. Now on the back of this, it's got a non-skid surface, so it's going to stay put in your seat. It also has a handle on the end here, and this cushion weighs about 2 pounds. Now this cover will come off, so you can hand wash the cover, which is a nice feature as well. Now I've been using this cushion for the last couple of days on a wooden kitchen chair that I have that actually doubles as my office chair sometimes, and it's made quite a significant difference for me, to tell you the truth. So I do like this product. I think it's a nice durable product. It does give some good pressure relief when you're sitting. So this is Vive Health. It's a wheelchair cushion. That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.